Welcome to today's showcase of the highly anticipated 2026 Lexus RC. This model combines style, performance, and advanced technology, all packaged in a stunning coupe design. Whether you're a longtime Lexus fan or discovering the brand for the first time, this RC is sure to impress. Let's dive into the remarkable features that make the 2026 Lexus RC a standout choice for enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. Exterior features. Body panels. The 2026 RC features meticulously crafted body panels that enhance both aesthetics and aerodynamics. With sharp lines and a bold stance, the RC becomes an instant head-turner, showcasing its performance capabilities while also improving fuel efficiency through reduced drag. The lightweight, high-strength materials used in construction provide both durability and a nimble driving experience. Headlights. Equipped with sleek, LED headlights, the RC not only looks sophisticated but also offers superior visibility at night and in adverse weather conditions. The daytime running lights add a modern touch, enhancing the vehicle's overall presence on the road. Adaptive high beams ensure you maintain illumination without blinding oncoming traffic, optimizing your night driving experience. Taillights. The distinctive LED taillights give the RC a unique signature that's unmistakable, ensuring you'll leave a lasting impression wherever you go. These taillights not only contribute to the vehicle's striking appearance but also provide excellent visibility for following drivers, enhancing safety. Grille. The aggressive front grille design is a hallmark of the Lexus brand, creating a bold look that signifies control and elegance. The grille not only aids in engine cooling but also channels air to reduce aerodynamic drag, contributing to improved performance and efficiency. Mirrors. The RC's side mirrors, featuring integrated turn signal indicators, add to both the aesthetic appeal and safety. They're designed for aerodynamic efficiency and come with available auto-dimming capabilities to reduce glare from incoming headlights, ensuring a more comfortable night driving experience. Interior comfort and convenience. Seats. Inside, the 2026 Lexus RC offers ergonomically designed, bolstered seats that provide excellent support for spirited driving while maintaining comfort on longer journeys. With available leather upholstery and heating, ventilation options, every ride is a luxurious experience. Dashboard. A driver-centric dashboard integrates modern aesthetics with practical functionality. High-quality materials and an intuitive layout keep essential controls within easy reach, while a digital display keeps you informed about vehicle diagnostics and performance data. Infotainment system. The sophisticated infotainment system in the RC is equipped with a responsive touchscreen interface, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto compatibility, allowing you to seamlessly connect and access your favorite apps. High-end audio systems elevate your in-car entertainment, ensuring that every journey is filled with your favorite music. Climate control. The dual-zone climate control system ensures that both the driver and passenger can customize their comfort levels. This feature is particularly beneficial during long drives, making sure everyone enjoys the perfect temperature without compromise. Steering wheel. The sporty steering wheel is designed not only for performance but for comfort as well. It includes controls for audio and hands-free communication, ensuring that you can stay focused on driving while managing your media and calls effortlessly. Powertrain components. Engine. Under the hood, the 2026 RC is powered by a robust engine that delivers thrilling performance. With responsive acceleration and a refined power delivery, this engine has been tuned for both exhilaration on winding roads and composure during daily commutes. Transmission. The RC features a precision-engineered transmission that provides seamless gear shifts, enhancing driving dynamics. Whether you're engaging in spirited driving or cruising on the highway, the transmission adapts to your driving style for an optimized experience. Hybrid option A. For those looking to combine performance with efficiency, the hybrid variant of the RC offers a compelling choice. This powertrain delivers robust power while improving fuel economy, making it an environmentally friendly option without sacrificing the driving experience. Exhaust system. The sports-tuned exhaust system is designed not only for performance but also to provide an exhilarating sound that reflects the RC's sporty character. It enhances the emotional driving experience, giving you the auditory feedback that enthusiasts crave. Safety and driver assistance. Airbags. The 2026 RC comes equipped with a comprehensive airbag system designed to protect all occupants in case of an accident. With strategically placed airbags, including side and knee protection, safety is a top priority for the RC. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. This advanced suite of safety features includes a pre-collision system that helps identify potential collisions and automatically applies brakes when necessary. The lane departure alert ensures you stay within your lane, while adaptive cruise control makes highway driving more enjoyable by automatically adjusting speed based on the traffic ahead. Parking Assist. The intuitive parking assist technology makes maneuvering in tight spots a breeze. Using sensors, this system provides guidance and warnings to help you park your RC safely and efficiently, giving you more confidence in urban environments. Blind spot monitoring. This feature effectively alerts you to vehicles in your blind spot, reducing the risk of accidental lane changes. With visual and audible warnings, you can drive with peace of mind, knowing that the RC is looking out for you. Electrical and lighting systems. Battery. The RC is equipped with a high-performance battery for reliable starting and operation. It's designed to minimize maintenance needs while ensuring that all hybrid components operate efficiently. Lighting. The 2026 RC utilizes advanced LED lighting throughout, enhancing visibility and providing a modern look. The lights are not only visually appealing but also energy efficient, contributing to overall vehicle efficiency. Charging. For hybrid models, the charging system ensures that the battery is replenished efficiently while you drive. This system maximizes regenerative braking, converting energy normally lost during braking back into usable power. Suspension and handling. Front suspension. The RC's front suspension system is engineered for responsiveness and precision. With a multi-link setup, it enhances handling and stability, allowing the driver to feel connected to the road. Rear suspension. The rear multi-link suspension complements the front, providing exceptional balance and ride quality. This configuration minimizes body roll during cornering, ensuring a sporty yet comfortable ride. Brake. Equipped with ventilated disc brakes, the RC offers strong stopping power while maintaining control under various driving conditions. Optional performance brakes provide even greater stopping performance for track enthusiasts. Wheels and tires. The RC features a selection of stylish wheel designs that enhance its aesthetic appeal while offering high-performance tire options for optimized grip and handling, ensuring that you can tackle any road with confidence. Cargo and utility. Trunk space. The RC offers practical trunk space, accommodating your gear for every adventure. The design is thoughtful, maximizing storage without compromising style. Folding seats. With foldable rear seats, you can easily expand cargo space for larger items. This flexibility makes the RC not just a performance car but also a practical choice for everyday use. Roof rails. Available roof rails add an additional utility aspect, providing options for carrying extra cargo, whether it's gear for a weekend trip or sporting equipment. Pricing. Base model A. The base model of the 2026 Lexus RC provides an exceptional value proposition with an array of standard features, setting a foundation for an impressive driving experience. Hybrid variant A. The hybrid variant offers additional efficiencies at a competitive price point, making it an attractive option for eco-conscious drivers who don't want to compromise on performance. Fully loaded trim A. For luxury seekers, the fully loaded trim includes all the advanced features, premium materials, and cutting-edge technology Lexus is renowned for, ensuring a truly elevated driving experience. Release date. Lexus enthusiasts can expect the 2026 RC to hit dealerships in the spring of 2026. Keep an eye out for availability in your local showrooms.